Breaking barriers, one device at a time.
What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be jailbreaking PS Vita. This is a 2000 model, the model with the internal storage of 1 gigabyte. So mine is already connected to the internet. As you can see, if I come to here, settings, and I go to network, mine is already connected to the internet, as you can see from here. So generally this jailbreak will go for both the 2000 or 1000 models. They will go. So what you need is that this jailbreak is very easy. Usually to jailbreak a PS Vita, you pass through some kind of very tedious steps, but now everything is done online. So guys, I'm going to show you the memory card I'm using my PS Vita. So if I come here and I open this, this is where they put the memory card, and I click on it. So this is my memory card inserted into the Vita. So that's it guys. You see it's an SD Vita. This is it, an SD Vita, and I have inserted a memory card there. This memory card is about 256 gig. So this thing that you see right there helps me to convert my memory card to a PlayStation memory card. Then I use YAM installer to make the Vita recognize the memory card. So let me put it back in, and that's it. Your browser, you open your browser. As you can see, I'm using O. I will change this. When you're jailbreaking the console, you can change it from O to X. So you open your browser and you quit this. So let's do a search. So we go to deploy.psp2.dev. Launch this website, and it comes to, you get this screen. From here you take unlock my Vita, and you take unlock to begin. So it's going to run. Wait for it. Now you come to this screen. On this screen here, you just take install Henkaku. Wait for it to install. Then you come now to install Vita deploy. Yes, it's going to install the programs needed to jailbreak the console. Wait for it to get finished, and it says all done. From here you can now exit the screen. So you come back now to the home page. If you scroll down, you'll see Vita deploy has been added to the list of applications. Before going there, let's first go to settings. Open settings. You can see we have now a new menu option called Henkaku. Open it. From here, we take enable unsafe Homebrew. Scroll down, then we can change the button from O to X. As you can see now, come back to our menu. Normally, after doing this, we need to, let's try to reboot the console. You hold the power button, you turn off the console. Okay, it's off. Let's turn it back on. From here we're good. So after rebooting our console, we just come back to let's check to see if it's unsafe Homebrew is still enabled. You can see we're using X9 instead of O. Come back to Henkaku settings. Okay, it's enabled. Now let's open Vita deploy. So we come here, we open Vita deploy. So this is it guys. From here we need to install a different OS like So we are going to install the 3.65 version by taking X. Wait for it to download the file. It's going to download the files and run the install for us. So depending on your internet speed, this will take like probably 5 minutes or so. So now it's almost done downloading. Let's see. Okay. And as it's going to ask us to press X to install. We take X and wait for a few seconds. It says this is where we make a permanent modification to your Vita. All right, now it's updating. Okay, it's almost done installing the update. It's going to reboot. So our Vita is going to reboot. But after this, we should have a completely jailbroken system. All right, let's go back to Vita deploy. Opening Vita deploy, we come to miscellaneous. Let's first of all install the apps. The apps we need. Let's install Vita Shell. This Vita Shell is like it's a software that permits us to connect our Vita via this port to our computer or via FTP. So we check this Vita DB. We used to download the Homebrew softwares on the internet. We take ITS installer. This YAM installer is for the in case we put an SD card into our Vita to recognize our SD card. And adrenaline is for it's a software that when you launch it, it turns the Vita into a PSP. You can play all PSP games on the Vita. PKG, yeah, this is a downloader for use to download games, and that should be all. You can install these other apps if you need them, but these are the main apps you need. You might also need a custom team manager to change the theme of your Vita. So when done, you just click on download apps. This is going to download all the apps one by one. So as you can see, it's downloading the packages and it's going to extract them one by one. Wait for it to finish. It has downloaded Vita Shell, uninstall Vita Shell, install Vita DB, install ITS, and now it's installing the YAM installer. Adrenaline. And the last one, custom team manager. All right, so this is good. All have been installed. We can now exit the app. So if you come down here, we'll see that we have so many new bubbles. First of all, let's make sure our SD card is going to read. Make sure our SD card will be inserted through this place here for SD card. The SD to Vita is going to read, so we can install app and we can download apps to it. So let's open YAM installer. Okay, we take install full version of YAM. You can install the light version, but I love installing the full version. So you take install full version. It's installed. It says rebooting. So your console is going to reboot. Wait for it. So it has rebooted. So from here we go back to our settings. In our settings here, we are going to mount the SD Vita to our storage. You come down here, you will see something like devices. You come to storage devices and you check use YAM. So this use YAM now will enable YAM. YAM will be installed, so this will enable YAM. So UX0 will be our default internal storage of our Vita, while UMA0 we put it to be our SD2 Vita. SD Vita is our memory card. After doing this, we need to just reboot our console. Let's come back to Vita Deploy. Vita Deploy has an option that we can reboot from here. So we come back to Vita Deploy and we take reboot. So now basically our jailbreak is done. Our SD Vita has been installed, and we can now use our SD Vita, which contains our external memory card. So let's open so we come down there, we see now we now have this option UMA0, which is our external memory card. When you open this, so we should come to the UXA0 and make sure we copy all the files of all the folders of this. So in here we press triangle and we take mark all. Press triangle again and we take copy. Now we come back, we go to UMA0 and we paste here. So we are copying all the files from the UXA0, which is the internal memory of the PS Vita. We are pasting them now in our memory card. So this will give our memory card a folder structure of how a PSP Vita folder structure is. So now when we are installing our games, when we are downloading our games from our stores, it goes exactly where we want it to go. So already done. This is done. And if you split the screen, so guys, this is basically how we install jailbreak a PS Vita. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install games and themes and plugins from VitaDB, PKDJ, and another plugin we will install, which is called Auto Plugin. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.